Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you have seen on my previous video, I had a hard time assembling the key to SO. Off camera I actually fixed it, so yeah, it's kinda okay though. It's not bending anymore. Alright, so in this video we're going to assemble the Opera House, which is located in Sydney, Australia. Okay, so here are the plates, and it has 4 plates, but as you can see it's big parts. So probably it will just took me around 2 hours or one and a half hours. All right. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so I am down to my last assembly. So far the construction of the Opera House is nice. Okay. Not too shabby. It's kind of difficult actually to put this one here. This too. Alright, so let's just get started. Alright, so we are done with the assembly, the Opera House from Sydney, Australia. Okay, it's actually nice. The construction is nice. Alright, so I hope you guys have enjoyed yet another of my assemblies. So hope to see you in the next one. Yeah, on my previous assembly with K2SO, I actually had to do something to make it stand. It's kind of bendy, but I'll show you on my next video how it actually going to work. Anyways, this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment and thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe. Have a great one.